Hello, it's been a while, friends, and it's time to make an espresso martini. To be transparent, this is a paid collaboration with SKYY Vodka, but we're gonna be using SKYY Infusions Espresso Vodka, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's espresso infused vodka. So in a typical espresso martini recipe, there's coffee or fresh espresso, vodka, coffee liqueur, and simple syrup. But because we have espresso infused in the vodka, there's no need for coffee liqueur. So first off, let's pull a shot of espresso. So the only other substitutes for espresso that I can really think of are like cold brew concentrate, but you might lose out on the foam that you want in an espresso martini. And the reason is because that espresso crema, the foam on top, is actually CO2 that's yielded from the roasting process of the beans. Fresh espresso is best. If you have to use instant coffee or if you have to use cold brew concentrate, it's like fine. And this is your espresso shot. In a shaker, 1 part espresso, 1.5 parts SKYY Infusions Espresso Vodka. You can use simple simp, or I'm using demerara syrup, 3/4 part. To get extra foam on an espresso martini, you need to double shake, or you can use one of these, but I ain't doing that. Slowly. This is called a dry shake, no ice. 1 large ice cube. And some hand flavored ice. There we go. So this is called a wet shake because there's ice. So we're aerating the drink more, and what's happening is the oils in the coffee are wrapping around air bubbles to create like a silkier, smoother foam, like a microfoam. So you're gonna grab a chilled coupe. I'm gonna pop this open. I'm going to double strain this. Keep in mind, the demerara syrup makes this a little bit more yellow than usual. And that is our espresso martini. Tradition says to garnish with 3 beans, health, wealth, and happiness. See how this foam is so jiggly? Like a pillow? A very simple espresso martini. It's perfect. The coffee's really there. You don't need coffee liqueur. It's not too sweet, you know? Cheers.